To remove the center dash panel, you will first need to remove the glove box. For additional assistance with that task, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. With the glove box removed, use a plastic pry tool and lever off the wood trim panel mounted in the center of the dash. Start at one end and work your way across. You may need to purchase some plastic grommets in case the old ones break. There are 4 Phillips head screws, green arrows, that need to be removed, hidden behind the wood trim. With the glove box removed, there are 3 Phillips screws, green arrows, that need to be removed in the upper part of the glove box area. There is a Phillips tip screw that is mounted under a rubber cover in the side panel of the dash. Pop off the rubber cap with a pick to access the screw and remove it. Working under the dash towards the outside corner, remove the Phillips head screw on the bottom edge. Remove the Phillips screw on the left side of the tape deck. Underneath the carpeted panels on each side of the center console, there are 2 Phillips screws that need to be removed. Remove both sides. The mid unit should be removed next. Remove the volume knob and place a 2mm Allen key in the slot at the 6 o'clock position. Twist about 90 degrees counterclockwise and unlock the MID panel. Pull the MID unit out of the dash, but don't pull it out all the way. There's an electrical connector that needs to be unplugged first. With a pick, push on the center tab. While you are doing that, grab the lever and slide it over the tab in the direction of the blue arrow. The connection will be levered out and you can unplug it. Grab both the left and right sides of the center dash panel and pull it straight towards the back of the car. The tape deck will still be attached to the center dash panel and will still have electrical plugs to be removed. Once the panel is pulled away from the dash, disconnect the tape deck electrical connectors and then remove the dash panel from the vehicle. Once removed, store the panel in a safe place to avoid damaging the finishing. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.